Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Friday, August the 11th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru, and sometimes they call it also a jigsaw Sudoku. And this one with 4 stars, and this one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, and I've not a fast connection with the internet. Okay, 6904. It will be the first one, 6904. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, but it has 27. Is this really a 3 stars puzzle? Because for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, the 1 star has 27, and for 27 printed digits, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's a 3 stars, or either it will be a 1 star. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Interesting. Okay. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and 8. We have 1, the 3, and 8 in this row, so no 1, 3, and 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 3 and 8 goes in those 3 boxes, 1, 3, and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be, and 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. Let me see. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay. Yeah. Then. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. Ay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number is the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 in the middle column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 5. We have a pair here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no. Oh, no. We already have a 5 here in this big square. Yeah, need to wait. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only two place left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can 6 in this row, 6 in that row. Last row, so the row between, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in the column next, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Now I have all the 6s. Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 8 should be there. Then let me see. 4, okay. 4. Need a 4 there, need a 4 here. 4, 1. 1, 2, 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 9 here. And 8. We have an 8 there. Okay, and now, 9. Come on. 5. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Come on. 2, 8. How about here? The 5. Yeah. 5. Need a 3. Need a 7. Well, come on. What's happening? 4. I'm stuck, I believe. 1, 3, 8. Well, we have here 1, 3, 8 in this big square. Well, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3 and a 5 in this row, 3 and a 5 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and the 2. Alright. And now, let me see. Come on. 8. We have 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need a 9. 1. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Well, what's happening? 7. Oh, wait, 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 1, 2, need a 3, need a 9. 139. Well, 7. I'm thinking. 5. Need a 5 here. 4. Let me put some numbers. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. No. Yeah. Need a 5 here. 5. Need a 5 there. And 5 here. And I need a 3 here also. If only 1, 1. Come on, what's happening? 7 in this column, third column, 7 in the first column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 7, could be here, could be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next, so in that column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 could be here, could be there. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this middle row, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4, 4, 4. 4. 4, 4, 4. 3 and a 5. 5 in this column. 5 in a column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Let me mark those. 3, 3, 3. Here, 3. Here could be also 3. 2. Well, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here, 2 in this row. No 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Okay, but it's not helping me here. 1, 1. 1, 1. Well, 4 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here can be a 1 because we have 1 in this column. No 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I mark those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 and a 9 goes there. Okay. So 2 numbers are left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 8, 8. Okay. Yeah, I need a 3 here. Okay. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now. In this third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 second row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Then 3, 5, 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. Interesting. I need a 1. Yeah. We have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 could be here, or there. But same for the 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 9 could be here, or there. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the last column for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. Well. That means one digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. No 3 here. 3. No 3 here. No 3, 3, 3. No 9 here. 9, 9. Well. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. But the 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Wow. Come on. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. 3 missing numbers. No. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. 1 and 2 missing numbers in this row. Look, I've marked this 1 or the 9. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9 are missing in this row. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes at there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 9 and a 7. 9 and a 7. Okay, need to wait. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. That means 1 digit left in this column for number, I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Okay, so we have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So I've eliminated the 5 here, so it cannot be a 5. Because these 2 boxes are it's a pair, so the only place left for the 5 should be here, and I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers are left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 now in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in the first row for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 9 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. Not quite a 1 star. For 18 minutes, should be a 2 stars. Puzzle, I'm faster than 20 minutes. Well, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.